Using a 13mm socket, go ahead and remove our ground terminal nut here. Now go ahead and spin the terminal loose. Work that off and set it aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws across the top of your grill. Go ahead and put those screws aside. Go ahead and lift up and unlock the edge of your grill right here. And tip that forward. Tilt that grill forward and slide it off. You're going to be dislodging these tabs on the back that go into your valance. Unscrew this screw here for the trim. On the back side of your marker light, there's a 7/16 nut. You gotta loosen and remove that. Once it's loose with a socket, we can spin it off by hand. You can go ahead and put your finger underneath the light and reach around the back side. And we're going to go ahead and work this marker light out, like so. And twist out your bulb and harness. And here is that second hidden screw for the brow molding or marker light trim. Get that one up above here. And take your trim bezel, gotta line that up. And go ahead and get your screws started. Once we have all 3 of these started by hand, we'll go ahead and snug those down. Now you just want to snug these down in a place. You don't have to make them super, super tight. Once they bottom out, you're good. Just going to install our bulb into the back. Now what we want to do is feed our stud through. And then we have our 2 push pins on the back side that actually insert into the metal clips up inside to lock these into place. I'm just going to gently and evenly just push the light straight back. Once that's in, let's go ahead and install the nut on the back side of the park light. All right, install our nut on the back side. That's going to spin on pretty easy, so I'll tighten that down as far as I can by hand. And then we'll go ahead and tighten that down. And once you feel that nut start to snug up, you want to go just a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten this. You're just holding a piece of plastic into the body. Just go ahead and grab our negative terminal. pop that on. Let's go ahead and tighten down this side. And once that snugs down, you're all set.